So this is our presentation and our project about the Swainson's hawk. And this is our build that we did. Here's the bird. And we will be explaining the parts that we all built. So first, a question is, where does the Swainson's hawk's journey begin and end? Well, it ends in Argentina and begins in Midwest. Another question is, what obstacles and challenges might the bird face along the way? So, some of them will run into predators and run out of food. Now, Casey will take over.
I'll be explaining the cave, the river, and the pond. My questions are the things that the bird might see along the way, and how will the bird stay safe? To answer the first question, I'll say that it will see trees, predators, and people. And to make sure it is safe, it has to make sure it flies high and has food and takes rest stops. And in the cave there is an animal hiding in it, and there's a river or a waterfall over it, and here there's a boy catching fish. Now over to Kate.
My two questions are, what other animals might they see along the way? And the answer to that question is, they might see other animals like golden eagles, ducks, pumas, coyotes, maybe bears, other Swainson's hawks, and bobcats. They know when the journey is over when they find their meeting place. Back to Carson.
So I will be explaining some of my builds. And over here there are some flowers around. And there's a bridge here, which used to be a tree that fell down and has moss all over it now. And there's a little stream or river that runs under it. And in this tree, there's a little baby bird in there with its nest. And there is a frozen waterfalls around. And here's a person looking at the view, and here's a person looking at the view. Back to Kaylee.
I built some of these waterfalls, this bird's nest, this stump that used to be a tree but it fell over, and some ducks, and a big giant duck, and some flowers. Back to Casey.
That was our presentation about the Swainson's hawk.